Hi guys, if you'd like to see me open this Balanced Discovery box, stick around. Okay, this is the Balanced Discovery box. It's out of Canada, and I believe it costs $24.99, and that includes shipping. And I'll tell you what, I have found some really life-changing things in here. And I found some total duds in here. But at $25 a box, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And at $25 a box, you know, you're kind of gonna, if you find one thing out of this box that you really like, fuzz in my hair. Sorry guys, got some fuzz in my hair. Then you're ahead of the game. First thing I'm pulling out is a box of grain-free chili lime crackers. And they are made by, who are they made by? Artisan Tropic. I'll taste them. Yeah, I'm doing this kind of late in the evening for me. Usually by now I'm already... Okay, it says no seed oils, free of top 9 allergens, safe for school, nut and seed free, made with plant AIN and cassava flour. I don't know what that is. You'd think I would, with all my digestive issues, that I would have some vague idea what I was about to put in my mouth, but no, I have no idea. This is what they look like. Well, that's a taste. Yeah, here's what they look like. It's a little warm. A little limey. A little warm and a little limey. Ooh. I get that taste out of my mouth. Okay, so there's that. And you also get, cards for what's in here. And this is the Balance Company, 20% off any of their boxes. And they have lifestyle, men's, female. They have snacks. Okay, and sometimes they'll send you one on the stuff in them, which this is. This one's about this. Now, yes, this is open because I snuck it. I was craving something sweet the other day. And this is freeze-dried yogurt. It's a healthy snack. 5 billion probiotic cultures. CFU. And contains essential vitamins and minerals. Non-GMO. And this is Sassy Strawberry. And it's 1 ounce, but it's a little sour. It's a little sour, a little sweet. Yeah, there we go. And this is chocolate chip granola from Jessica's Gluten Free. No trans fat, no cholesterol, no non-GMO, made with certified gluten-free oats. I didn't know you could get gluten-free oats. Best to vape by May. I'm gonna check those. I didn't see the date on here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, best to vape by October of 2026. See what the date is on this one. April of 26. So, I'm sure they'll get 8. This is kind of what they look like. And it's gluten-free above. I don't know. And the last one is protein pretzels. 6 grams net carbs, 26 grams of protein. Flamin' Hot Crunch. No. I like y'all, but this is one I will say protein. And it's also 30%, 36% of your recommended daily fiber. And this is best of 8 by July. She'll eat it this weekend. And the serving size is the whole bag. You know, that's a pretty good amount. Yeah, because a lot of times they'll say, oh, there's 4 servings in there. And you're like, what? Excuse me? Okay. Then I got Mineral Fusion eye pencil crayon. And it's in cool. This is what it looks like. And here's the color. And I'm just there's that. So yes, it's really an eyeliner, but I used it for my eyebrows. I do that sometimes. Sometimes I used to sometimes would use, before they had all that stuff, I used to sometimes use mascara. Okay, then we got Mineral Fusion loose setting powder. And oh, I forgot to show you the this is the lid. The information on it. And this is what it looks like from the side. Okay. This is what it looks like when you open it. And of course it's got a, oh, maybe not. What the heck? Turn sifter to unlock. If there's a I think there's a piece of plastic over it. Sounds like somebody just walked in my back door, and they didn't. Really weird. I've been hearing things for a couple days. Did you hear that? Earlier it sounded like somebody walked in my back door. They don't need to be on my back porch. I can't get it. But we all know what it is. I can't get it undone, so it's got a sticker on it. There, wait a minute. I got it. I thought. Come on. People with my work, all this. Okay. Now I know a lot of people will leave the sticker on and just flip it halfway. Let's see this. See, that's, and then you just to reseal it. And now, oops, I unsealed it. I don't get it. Okay, I'm getting it. Oh, that's just what was sitting there. See this, and then it shuts it. I was like, what did I do? What the? Some of the stuff I do is a little crazy. Like asking my little 2-year-old great-granddaughter to come for 4 or 5 days. So I have to call them and verify it's okay if I take her to spend an extra night with Aunt Darla. And this is Eco Lips Mango Kiss Pixie Dust Sherbet. Eco Lips. It's got a pretty label on it. See, it's got a really pretty label on it. Yeah, there it goes. And it's just basically a chapstick. I think. Yeah. And I got 2 of these. This is Pixie Dust Sherbet. And this one is the same. So my grandson will probably be coming confiscating those. So anyway, that's my Balanced Discovery box. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Old people need love too.